like we're foodies now. Julie, we're gonna open up an Instagram and be foodies, and we're gonna take photos from like way up here, and like it's gonna be beautiful. Oh my gosh! All right, it's another episode of the Cooking Show. This time we're gonna do a kid-friendly meal. So Julie, what are we actually gonna do? I think you know a little bit better because you just did the video with your grandma. So tell me what we're gonna do.
We're gonna make a tortilla with banana, jelly, and peanut butter inside.
Sounds delicious. Where can you go wrong? So for the tortillas, we actually have these guys right here. And these tortillas right here, they're wheat tortillas. They got spinach and they got a little bit of mint, so it's gonna be nice and tasty. All right. Where do you want to start? Peanut butter or jelly?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. All right. So I'll use this one. You use that one. Don't have that much peanut butter left, but you use what you got, right? Such is life. You're getting really good at spreading. Now remember guys, you know, for safety and everything, you gotta make sure the butter knives and make sure that you're supervising the child at all times. It doesn't really matter the age, you just wanna make sure everything's being, you know, done safely. Obviously the age doesn't matter. You're not gonna give a butter knife to a baby. But I'm just saying, you know, be safe. Everybody be safe. All right, you good? Need some help spreading?
Yes.
Alrighty-o, let's put this guy right here. I'm gonna help you spread. Peanut butter on the tortilla. Peanut butter on the tortilla. Alright, so we're good. Now, which one do you want? Do you want orange or you want strawberry?
I'll try orange.
You'll try orange? Okay, because last time you got the strawberry, right? Mm-hmm. Alrighty-o, let's get our jellies. If you're like me and like sweets, but you know you shouldn't do too much, don't do too much. Really try not to get that much on there. Proceeds to throw the entire jar in there. Like, oh. All right, so I got mine on there. You got yours? Ooh, she wanted a little bit more. She's gonna be up all night. All right, good? What do we do now?
The banana.
The banana? Grab your banana. All right, grab mine. Ring, ring, ring. Hello. Hey.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
All right. See, now that we're all stuck at home, the whole family, we really have to find and enjoy the little things and really try to have fun with the people you live with. I mean, you see them every day. You love them and cherish them, and you got to enjoy these things. And once we get to leave, I know I'm not going to talk to anybody for a very long. I'm just playing. Got it? Ooh, I think you rolled yours better. Can I keep that one? Yeah, no, I'm just playing that. All right, so let's go ahead and cut these. I'll do that. Cutty, cut, cut. And cut, cut, cut. I'm gonna move this over there so it's safe. All right, oh, somebody just ran to us with these plates because we didn't have them before, we forgot. All right, and we plate them like we're foodies now. Julie, we're gonna open up an Instagram and be foodies, and we're gonna take photos from like way up here, and like it's gonna be beautiful. All right, now first, let's hold it like that. So we take a thumbnail. Oh yeah, and do another one. All right. So then we got our almond milk. We got vanilla. I normally like the one that doesn't taste like a flavoring, like not vanilla, just the original, whatever it is. But vanilla's good. Kids love the ones that have a little flavor. So let's go ahead and try it. Boy, I'll tell you, that's weird. You don't really do a burrito with a banana and everything, but it works. I think it works. What do you think? Would you do it again? Or wait, this is your second time. Maybe we should cut back on the burrito bananas. Just plain. Well, thank you guys so much. We're going to enjoy this, and we'll see you later. Bye.
Deliciosa nuestra barbacoa. Ya quedó, ya está. ¿Ok?